Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I am talking about earrings, not just any earrings, but one kind of earring. So for a while now, I have been wanting to purchase the Louise earring by Louis Vuitton. Okay, so every time I look at this earring, for some reason, like when it's time to hit purchase, I always go like this. Like, seriously, it's $715. And then the thing is, if it was real gold, I don't even mind. Like, I would have gotten it. But then these earrings are not gold. So the earring is beautiful. This is a statement piece. And I love statement earrings. I'm all about it. You know, the dramatic, nice, earrings. $715 to wear somebody's name. And it is not even gold. So honey, listen, let me tell you. So I am that type of person. Like, I am not going to wear any dupes. Like, if I don't have the real thing, then that's fine. I don't have to wear the, the fake ones. So I didn't, it did not cross my mind because I wasn't planning on getting the fake ones anyways. But then I came across this page on Etsy.com, and these people make earrings, So I was like, why not wear my own initial? Like, instead of wearing somebody else's, name in my ears. Like, I am not a big designer or anything. Even I'm not a designer at all, but like, why not wear my own name? So anywho, I was able to get my own custom hoop earrings. And I think it's so beautiful. It's just as pretty. It is not real gold, but I love it. So this is my very own earrings right here. It has my initial on it. They made it for me. It's a hoop earring. And I will be sharing that link details down if you are planning on making your own custom hoop earrings. And this is just as beautiful. I love these earrings. It is a statement piece. A lot of people love it as well. Okay, so let me take it off so I can show you guys. And the good thing is I got these earrings for under $40. Under 40. There is no sign of wear and tear on it. Okay, so I mean, I feel good. Like, I feel proud that I can wear my own initials. And these earrings are not heavy at all. Okay, but it looks really expensive. I'm really excited about these earrings. I will be wearing it a whole lot. And I mean, I love it. I feel proud that I can wear my own name, okay, on these earrings. Yeah, so with the Louis earring, I feel accomplished. Like, I feel like I don't need it anymore, only because I got my very own, and it is not a dupe or anything. I'm wearing my own name, like, so I think that's the best I could do. And so I got my own pair with my initials on it, MTK. I will put the information about the seller down below if you are interested in making your very own pair of hoop earrings. I am not going to call this the Louis earring because it's not. It is your own hoop earring, and it is very pretty. These earrings are very beautiful. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it on again. Okay, I am happy with my purchase. The seller is on Etsy.com. I will put the links below for these earrings. They also have many other designs to choose from if you don't like this one. And this is not real gold, but it lasts a long time. It all depends on how well you take care of it. And they have many other designs to choose from. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and turn on your post notification bell for whenever I post new videos. Again, this is being MTK, and I'll see you all in the next video.